Hi. Today we are talking about maintaining your truck. So I'm going to this truck. He's about to change some of his tires, and then I have to change the batteries on his tracking device for the trailer. And I wanted to talk today how important it is to maintain your trucks, not just saying that you would actually do it, but doing it as soon as you find out. Now, key thing in this case is to have a truck driver that will report everything to you accordingly. Let me just close this. Let's see if that's gonna make it better. It's just too bright. And there was no sun when I started recording, but now it's sunny, so this is better. So if you have a driver that will not report breakdowns or minor things, then that's not good in the long run. You know, you may be happy that the truck is not breaking down, but the truck is breaking down. You just don't know it, because no truck can run more than 2-3 months or even less without something going wrong, and then you're all happy. Oh yeah, look at this truck, you know, there's no maintenance on it, I'm making all this money. But when the driver comes back in and you see the truck, or the driver goes someplace else and then he leaves the truck or she leaves the truck, then you have thousands of dollars in repairs, and that's no fun. So that's why it's crucial that you act right away and that you have a driver. And if your driver is not doing that, then you should probably have the truck come back to your yard or wherever you can see the truck every couple of weeks at least, and then you can take a look at the truck. Now, that's also not great, because unless you're driving the truck, then some of this stuff you don't know that is broken unless you drive the truck. So if you just look at it, then you can see some visual things, but other things you won't be able to tell. So it's important that you have a driver that will report all that to you, and then as soon as they report it, you should act on it. I have this driver that's really good about it, and then he was just doing a service, and he noticed that the tires are about to, you know, go bad in a couple of weeks at least. They have some thread on it, and we can still use them, but winter is coming and I don't know when he's gonna be here next time. So I just told him right away to go and change those tires right away. I have this guy here in town, a local guy that is really good, and I sent him over there, and I'm on my way there because I wanted to change those batteries, and I'll try to record some of the tires to show you what I mean by that. So also there was this problem with his injectors, and we already changed injectors 2 times on this truck in the last 2 years, and that's not normal. So the injectors keep going bad for some reason, and I don't know, because these injectors are not brand new. They always give us these remanufactured ones, and that he noticed that there's a blue smoke coming in, and then he told it to the mechanic this morning, and he said we will need an appointment for that. He can open it up and take a look, see what's going on. So I took an appointment right away because we don't want to wait for it to become worse. Anything like that, tires, you know, if we don't do it today and then he's gonna go away, the tires might blow up, they might go illegal, and when DOT pulls him over, they're gonna place him out of service. If we have to replace them on the road away from home, I'm gonna pay probably twice as much for the tires. So we want to do it right away. So whenever the driver reports something to you, next time they come in, or if it's something really urgent, have them come in to wherever you fix your trucks, and then do it right away. I've seen companies that are trying to postpone everything, and then all these little things that are not important, they add up, and after a couple of months or 6 months, you have thousands of dollars in repairs, and it will take a lot of time, and then something else might break down because of that, because you didn't fix that. Also, if you fix these minor things and you go to a shop, the mechanic might see something else. Man, they keep calling me. Dispatch.
Yeah, I was calling to see if you still have that van available in Salina, Ohio.
I do.
You have a load picking up in Portland, Indiana. It's appointment around noon this afternoon, 12 to 1. Delivering over in Albany, Oregon. That's going to be on Friday.
Yeah, he is going to be empty later today, and that load will not work anyway.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it.
Thank you. So the mechanic might see something else that's about to go bad, or that's already broken, so they can take care of that while there's a railroad track. They can take care of that right away while the truck is in the shop, so you're saving time and money. And then I also recommend that you pay everything right away if you can. Oh man. Dispatch.
Hello, this is Chris at Goodyear in Glendale again.
Hi.
Yes, I got that tire off, and there was something in the tread, but the sidewall's also blown out on it.
Okay, so you gotta do a new one?
Yeah, I don't have any used that would match up. The one on there is like 30 seconds.
Okay.
So I went and I checked the tread depths, and the best match would be a Goodyear Marathon LHD. It's right there within 30 seconds of it.
How much does that cost?
Let me see what it does. With the mountain disc mount, well, just the tire itself is $570.
Wow. It's like a steer. Is that a steer tire?
That's a drive, the Marathon LHD.
Well, do you have anything cheaper?
Let's see.
That's way too expensive. Plus, they're gonna do labor. Well, this is a different truck. This is not the truck I'm going to. As it happens, I have another truck.
I'll get a measurement on the Kelly right there. I'll give you a call back to make sure it's going to be within the range.
Okay.
And I think that's a little bit cheaper. I don't
Okay.
have a little bit better, but I'll
This is a different truck that's in I think
Kelly tire.
Kentucky that had a flat tire this morning too. So you went to a shop and you see this is $570 just for the tire.
If we have
It's
one,
ridiculous.
it's like $383 for the Kelly.
Okay, why don't we do that one then?
Okay, I'll make sure that one lines up and make sure we got one.
Okay,
All right.
thanks. Yep.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. So Kelly is not a great tire, but the other one is just too expensive. It's not worth it. You know, $570 plus the installation. If the truck was here, I would probably get a way better deal, and I would probably get a better brand name for the tire. But it's what it is. So right now we're almost there for this other guy, and then I'm gonna try to record some footage for the old and new tires and for the shop, so you can see what it looks like. Where's my truck? I don't see it. Huh. Where is it?
Hello?
Hey, I don't see you. I'm at trucks.
Huh?
Hello?
Oh, I'm behind you.
You're behind
Parked
me?
you behind you. Yeah, parked back you behind you.
Oh!
I see you now.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming over.
Hi. Hi.
Bye. Here. The white truck. The white Coronado. So this is the little device that's tracking. It's called Rhino Fleet Tracking.
Battery died.
These two tires?
Yeah.
Well, General is an okay tire, right? General is an okay tire. I mean, he's been using those for...
Seems to be the other one doing once.
Yeah. Okay.
Lights on that guy.
Okay, we're done here, and just wanted to show you and talk to you about maintaining your trucks. You know, tires are not the only thing. There are a lot of other things, but it was a chance for me to talk to you about all this because I was on my way, and I thought I'd just grab the camera and talk to you about the importance of the maintenance. And also it's a good thing to have someone that you trust, you know, a local guy, preferably a small guy that you can talk to. You can talk to the owner, and you can work stuff out, and that's not gonna lie to you, and that they're not just gonna push you out of your schedule just to, you know, tell you the truck is done, but the truck is actually not done. If you're a big company, that's different, but small companies usually have the luxury of picking and choosing your own shops, your own mechanics, and then who you can work with. You can save a lot of money if you do it this way. You can also go get your parts. Sometimes the shops have their discounts and they can get the parts for cheaper, but usually shops will charge you more, like 10-20% or even more if they get the parts themselves. So if you have time, it might be best if you go get the parts, shop around, call 2 or 3 part stores and compare the prices, and then go get it yourself. That's the best way to save on parts. So if you have time, do that. I do that sometimes whenever I have time. If I don't, I won't do it. Also, sometimes if you have a driver that would take care of the small stuff, that's even better. When I was driving, I would do that, even if I was a company driver. When I was a company driver, I did little stuff myself because I didn't want to waste time in shops, and I would rather do it myself if it's something simple. And then if you see that the driver is going out of his or her way to take care of your truck and fix stuff, like this guy that I was showing, he fixed a bumper himself. And not just that, a lot of other things, and I would sometimes give him a little bonus, you know, and just shows how much I appreciate what he's doing for me, and then he'll of course keep doing it. this way. So maintenance is one of the biggest expenses if you have your own trucks, besides fuel and insurance. And I wanted to talk to you about that in another video. But if you keep track of your maintenance, you know what you did before, what's next, and then do federal inspections often. You don't have to wait a whole year. You know, by law you have to have a federal inspection every year. They call it the DOT inspection as well. But I do it every 6 or 8 months. You know, whenever I have a truck, you know, you pay extra for 1 hour of work, and they give you a new proof of inspection. And then if you get pulled over, you can show it to the officer that you just had an inspection. And then also that way the mechanic can find and prevent something that's gonna happen, and then also they can fix it if something has to be fixed then, because they are doing a walk around, you know, going under the truck, checking everything. Hopefully they're doing all that, because sometimes when you ask them to do a DOT inspection, they will just walk around and not do it the way they're supposed to. So you have to make sure, it's best if you're there or if the driver is watching them, that they're actually doing the inspection. Now there are some people or companies that, you know, they want mechanic not to find something wrong because they don't want to pay for repairs. They want to save money, and they knowingly send trucks like that on the road, which is not safe for anyone. People around your truck, your driver, you know, you can get fines. Your scores are gonna go bad if they see it, the DOT. So in my opinion, it's best to maintain your truck and always have everything be in top shape for the trucks, because that's how you make money, and that's your livelihood. And then I hope you like this video, and like it, and come back for more. I'll see you around.